Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So, mhla ka-1 January 2026, i-content yokuqala engiyenzayo kulo nyaka. Yeah, besigcina ukushootha before Christmas. So, besikwi-break nje, just for 1 week. Bengisemakhaya, I was in KZN Esikhothi Ntabamhlophe. But today ngithi ngifuna ukubongela umjidi wasemnambithi ya umakhelwane wethu ngithi nama silaphana esikhothi because isikhothi umnambithi silaphana nje eMidlands eKZN. So uma fika izolo uwine isong of the year, but mhlawumbe before ngiqale ngiya lapho ake ngihighlight amanye ama-song of the year sengiwabonile because seyisekuseni nami ngisavukile ngidakelwe ubuthongo, but ngizwile eGagasini. Actually bengilalele eGagasini, ngisazoyenza nje ivideo yakhona because I think into eyenza yakhona be-interesting. U-DJ Tira uhamba nalo mjidelo khona umjidelo wamapiano PC ya uhamba no PC no General Simamane awungazi win isong of the year ku Metro FM isong of the year win usiza Isaka. I feel like big deserve lo ngoma leyo, so ku Metro FM bayiwinisile. Umhlobo wenene la Eastern Cape isong of the year win uMaster Visual. Siyamazi udume kakhulu ngalezi zinto zama waiting and stuff, so ingoma yamagwijo yona win isong of the year. Angazi I'm not sure ukuthi ngiyafila kanjani because I don't think amagwijo mhlambe singawaconsider izingoma e-commercial, but ke abantu bebevotile bamvotile. I think ukwazi ukuphusha i-campaign yakhe, but I think ngisazoyenza enye ivideo yakhona because lokho I think ingoma lezi amagwijo ingoma eswe exist, so I don't think mhlambe inayo lo creativity engaka, but ke winileke lapho iCapricorn FM ekuyiyona futhi engilandela kakhulu when it comes to ama-song of the year because bana legendary le okuyona I think iyadominate South Africa na ilikompo. So lapho isong of the year wine ulo mntwana lokuthiwa uShandesh, khona ingoma yakhe iSlender uSidudla inomazi lapha omunye umjidelo waproduce ingoma lazihla umlilo. So you know yena ke, but ke back to isong of the year ngempela because ngeke ngayenza ivideo before ngasho isong of the year yakuyiphi nakiphi country determine i-radio station inama numbers inabalaleli abaningi. So eMzansi whether we like it or not isong of the year yaseKhosini FM because bahamba phambili ngama numbers and leyo ayona into engadiscusswa leyo nje ama-stats ama-facts. So isong of the year South Africa ingoma isuke izowina uKhosini whether uyakhala uthini, asina choice nathi. Mina I'm not a biggest fan uKhosi FM, but when it comes to song of the year I know ukuthi kumele sibuye size ekhaya because ibona bahamba phambili ke. So isong of the year yaseKhosini FM iwina uMafikizolo, and bese kunakho ukuthuka abantu abaningi after bethi ama-SMS bebevotela uMafikizolo ama-message adebuya bebethi bavotele uShebeshix because ikhona ingoma kaShebeshix laphana edishisa ikhotha leko Limpopo, but ingene nakutop 10 yaseKhosini bese kusolala inkohlakalo ukuthi ngathi khona ukuthi amavoti asephinde nikwe nakuyona because ama-message idebuya bebuya engathi abantu bavotele le ngoma bebade bevotela uMafikizolo because noma huna uke wayeraise into efana leyo. But ke uMafikizolo ngifuna nje umvuma indlela akawazi ngokuphusha le ngoma yakhe until kuze kufike last day umhla ka-31 because ingoma yakhe iphume I think yaphuma around abo June even if I'm not mistaken, but iphume early kakhulu just that abantu abaningi bakhethe yona after sikrenda la ku TikTok, but I think iphume early ngenza ukuthi yaphuma ngabo I think May, and ayona ne-album biku-EP laphana because ngiyakhumbula there was a festival amaskanda eperform khona for the first time abantu bembuka nje bengayazi lo ngoma because oyade bookiwe nayo anti ingoma izoblow up early. But into engihappy ngaka kakhulu about i-song of the year this because I think it is for the first time ukuthi win i-song of the year ingoma ebe viral because yazi since kwaba khona social media lento kuba viral le zikhona ingoma efana noJerusalem yaba viral maybe after 2 years iphumile South Africa, so ayikwazanga ukuwina la. So I think for the first time ingoma ikwazi ukuthi ibe viral la eMzansi semnye iphinde win song of the year. I think iyaqala ukwenza lokho because ngiyakhumbula ikhona le ngoma kaThala ICU ebe global hit yaphesheya, but la eMzansi asiyiwinisanga because ibisilate kuthina because i-audience la international ivamsu catch late engomeni eningi, but la Mafikizolo I think ba catch up on time, and uMafikizolo ngifuna ukumvuma indlela akabe consistent ukuphusha le ngoma akazange efuna nokukhipha ezinye ingoma because uvele wafocus kule ngoma and abamaqoba amaskandi bamsupport yona. So I think ustickile yona lapha azange ngikhiphe nane music video because usticke nje kulo ephushile. I think right now over 30 million views audio yakhona because ayinayo music video. I think right now so isikhathi etetele mhlawumbe music video noma ne-album ke because ube busy nama gig na unyaka wonke akakhiphanga, but ke nje sibongela ivukane lasemnambithi because uMafikizolo last year ubekade ivukane enganako umuntu, but ubenalo hit song ngadi ikhona last year lesinguye lo, but lise uphushe kakhulu, and I think ama-gig adisewasebenzise kahle. Ngike ngabona ngathi indoda ithe uwakha nalaphana ekhaya, so nje ngifuna sibonge le ndoda yasemnambithi. I know hayi ibambe kushisa ngempela, kwazi waze wafika egcineni wayiwina-ke Song of the Year. So nje ividiyo yami bekubongela uMafikizolo angafuna ukukhuluma nge-top 10 yokhozi kakhulu because bengangayiboni, but ngizuthi uMafikizolo uhlukanisa unyaka and I feel like uyakudeserve. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi bathi no indaba sokhozini unyaka usuhloniswa uMaskandi noma kunjani, but I think masikhuluma eqiniso uMaskandi udominateile South Africa kuwona wonke ama-province, maybe mhlampe ko-Limpopo-ke nako-North West la ngingazi ukuthi badlalani khona, but nje when it comes to i-Gauteng ne-Eastern Cape nase-KZN I think udominateile uMaskandi. And ingoma kaMafikizolo bambala kakhulu abangayidina bethi abayazi. I think i-Song of the Year yangempela-ke leya this year. Bakhona abantu abanamagama amakhulu like abantu abafana maybe naboKhuzani nobumthandeni, so bane audience eningi easy bewin i-Song of the Year without abantu abangekho uMaskandi beyazi. But I think this one be viral ko TikTok, ko YouTube nayo everywhere. So I think i-Song of the Year deserve nje. So speaker now no why sithi umfana wase 150, hopefully na next year uzokuba na something ezotop up, noma kungelula ukuthi uphinde ube ne hit song ade ukeep hit song because sewunencindezi. But nje ngivala lapha ivideo yami sibongela uMafikizolo Song of the Year 2026 sithembisa abantu i-content nje serious. And this one thing ade ngibhalile kuma goals amadisi, ngifuna ukathenda more shows amaskandi because I think i-focus industry i-shift lapha nakumaskandi because i-attendance akhona like umaskandi uya-attendwa ngempela. So nami shooting i-content this I think mangathenda noma at least noma 5 shows amaskandi because last time ngathenda impucuzeko festival, and kuleyo festival sa-record i-video le kaMafikizolo uzoncenga ngonyoko. I think right now close to 16,000, that is i-highest numbers esiwatholile content yethu. So uMafikizolo i-impact yakhe kulonyaka ibinkulu ngempela, nami ngiyibonile ku-channel yami. So indoda semnandi isebenze kakhulu. So anyway sekhona ku-Twitter @speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook siSpeaker nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok c.speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Twitch. Yeah, this year we're planning ukuthi sibe active ku-Twitch because I think i-social media imuvela khona lapho. Yeah, anyway we out.